kitty, I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute horse. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you don't miss my new lesson. Now let's look at the picture. We can see the head, the body, legs, tail, ears and mane. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, body, legs, mane, tail and ears. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the top of the paper. Draw 2 diagonal lines. Repeat after me. Then draw C shape over here and B shape. Oh, I like your line. Well done. Then we're gonna draw a curve on the top of the head. And now we will draw a neck. 2 lines on both sides. Now let's draw ears. Upside down V shape on the top of the head. Then let's add 2 dots for its eyes. And 2 dots over here for nostril. Now let's draw the body. I draw horizontal line on the over here and draw to the right. And then curve to the down and draw a line over here. Then we're gonna draw the body and the legs. Draw a curve, then line to the down. These lines must be at the same level. Then let's draw diagonal lines on the right side of this line and connect them. Then draw another diagonal line on the left side of this line and connect with at the end. Draw horizontal line over here and let's add another legs. Draw 2 lines on the right side and let's connect them. That's the way! I like your line! Then draw another diagonal line between these lines and connect them. Then let's add 4 horizontal lines over here. Now let's draw the mane. I start over here near the ear, curve down, then curve right and connect with the back. Oh, I like your line. Keep it up, the good work. Then let's draw 6 curves under this line. I start over here near the ear and draw 6 curves. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and connect with this line. Then let's draw the horse banks. I start over here and draw 6 curves and connect with the ear. And let's color it. I choose black. You can choose any color you like. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Now it's time for its tail. Draw a curve over here. I start over here, draw a curve and then diagonal line. Then let's draw 5 curves over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My tail turned out to be thin and I'll increase it a little bit. That's the way to go, you did it! I like your horse! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Take me in photo, Nanny Julie Art.
Also, you can download and print my cute coloring books with animals or princess. All links in the description under the video. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like.
I choose black again. You can choose any color you like. Don't rush. Quietly, we will color everything together with you. I choose black again for hooves and dark brown for body. Let's try a careful trace along the pencil line and not go beyond the line. We try to carefully and accurately color inside the horse. Try to color over completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible.
Wow, perfect! I like your horse! I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring books. All links in the description under the video. See you! Bye bye!